PEPE is absolutely breaking the internet right now. Let's talk about what's going on. First of all, congrats to anybody who's been buying PEPE. Right now, PEPE is up 150% today. Right now, about $1.7 billion total value, dramatically higher than when I first started covering it, at about $150 million market cap. So if you guys got in at that price, you're basically 10x what you initially paid for it. So congrats to you guys for who actually got in then. Now, PEPE right now has some major breaking news that's been happening that's just crushing the internet. And the reason why PEPE is pumping so freaking crazy. First of all, PEPE has passed over 100,000 different holders. You can see we're over 103,000. I bet if I refresh this page, probably over 104, almost 104,000 different holders of PEPE on the blockchain, which is a really big deal because right now for you to become a holder on the blockchain, you have to buy through Uniswap, and Uniswap right now has absolutely insane gas fees. People are paying over $100 in gas fees. So anybody who's buying smaller amounts, they're buying on exchanges, and that's not contributing to this holder number. If you buy in an exchange, it goes to an exchange wallet. You can see that if we go into the holders tab, these different exchanges, they hold all their PEPE into a couple different wallets. For example, OKX, Huobi, MEXC. So if you're buying on those exchanges, it goes into those wallets. Those are one wallet that's holding for multiple different people, hundreds or thousands of different people in the PEPE community. Now, some of the other big news that we got, you guys could see just a couple hours ago, we got an announcement that PEPE is going to be listed on KuCoin. We also got an announcement that PEPE is going to be listed on Crypto.com. And as if those two weren't big enough, we also got an announcement PEPE is going to get listed on Binance in about 25 minutes from the time of recording this video right now. So this is big news. We're getting 3 major exchanges that are listing PEPE, which is great because if you guys remember, a couple of my previous videos, we talked about how PEPE right now, not really tradable on a lot of different exchanges. If you want to go ahead and buy PEPE, you have OKX, then you can go to Uniswap again, you have to pay the gas fees, MEXC, Gate.io, Huobi. So there are a couple options here, but now that PEPE is going to be traded on these other ones, like you can see the KuCoin volume starting to come in now. As it starts to get traded on more of these exchanges, there are more and more opportunities for people to get involved in PEPE. Now, one of the big things that I think people are overlooking is, right, we've been excited about Binance, we've been excited about Crypto.com, we're excited about KuCoin, but one other one that we have potential is Robinhood, because I think one thing that people are overlooking right now is that PEPE still is mainly within the crypto community. A lot of normal investors, people outside who are not as intensely involved in crypto, they're not really getting involved in PEPE right now. Maybe they just buy, let's say, Ethereum, Bitcoin, stuff like that through Robinhood. Once we can get PEPE listed on Robinhood, that'll bring so much more exposure to PEPE. We'll basically be forcing mainstream media to finally talk about us, because mainstream media right now is just not addressing PEPE. And so PEPE has a massive opportunity once we can get into mainstream news, once we get more accessible, like getting listed on Robinhood. As you guys can see, this is an article from a little while ago when Shiba Inu actually got listed, and Shiba Inu prices surged after it was being listed on Robinhood. So we could see PEPE go up even higher. Maybe it doubles or triples from here. If we can get on Robinhood and a lot of these other platforms, that's going to make PEPE way more accessible to different people. Now you can see the trends for PEPE. We are definitely getting some increased trend volume when we look at Google Trends here. You can see we're averaging in the past couple of months here, we're averaging about this 50 mark. Now this is a relative scale. There's not really a fixed number of searches that's giving you here. This is a scale that's relative to how it's performing now. But you can see that now we went from about that 50 mark that's right behind me here. Now we're up to this 100. The 100 value, the highest search terms in the past couple months, which means that we basically doubled the amount of searches that we're having for PEPE just in the past couple weeks. Basically since the start of May, we've actually been doubling the number of searches in PEPE, which is really good because that means obviously people are hearing about PEPE, mainly within our crypto community, like I mentioned, but a lot of people are getting involved in PEPE. People are learning about it, they're researching it, which is great to bring that exposure. And so from where we are right now, we're in price discovery phase. We absolutely broke out yesterday from about that 2.0 level, peaked up at about 4.4, over double in a couple hours while I was sleeping actually, which is pretty crazy. But now we've been exploding the value of PEPE, and now we're going into this price discovery phase. I have some of these different trend lines or different resistance points right here, as you guys can see, about this 3.3 level and about the 4.4, 4.3 level, and we're probably going to bounce between this for a little bit. If we break out towards the upside, we could see PEPE price just absolutely go wild and shoot up like crazy. It's a lot of unknown as to how far PEPE could go, but I think if we can get some of these other big news catalysts like a Robinhood listing, like getting covered in CNN or other mainstream media sources, Bloomberg, places like that, PEPE could go absolutely crazy. Now, if you guys remember, when we bought PEPE, we were starting this $1,000 buying challenge. You can see that PEPE value right now, we initially bought about $50 worth of PEPE. that is right now $500 worth of Pepe, which is crazy. I think we're probably going to start taking some profits on that Pepe now. Haven't taken any profits yet. And so it's crazy for us to see that that $50 investment is now worth over $500. Absolutely insane for us and great news for our portfolio. If you want to buy Pepe without the insane gas fees over $100 on the Ethereum network, consider going through MEXC. Partner with MEXC right now. If you guys deposit value into their platform and trade whatever cryptocurrency you want, obviously probably Pepe right now, but if you go in, deposit money and trade, you can earn up to $100 worth of Pepe and up to $9,000 worth of USDT. I'm gonna have the link to this in the description down below. All the terms are listed here, so the different thresholds you have to meet to get the different payout rewards, but there is massive reward potential if you buy Pepe or if you're just actively trading any cryptocurrency through the MEXC exchange. Make sure you guys check out this page right here. If you're interested in that, all you have to do, click right here, create an account, deposit value, and start trading to start earning your up to $100 worth of Pepe rewards, up to $9,000 worth of USDT. If you want to see how you can trade Pepe on MEXC in under 2 minutes, check out this video up here, and I'll catch you on the next one.